Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how to fix your MSI laptop display not turning on. So here's a guide for your black screen, external display and reset. Fix 1. Check the power. Make sure the laptop is charged. Connect the charger and check if the power LED turns on. Press the power button for a few seconds to start the laptop. Fix 2. Force restart the laptop. Hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds until the laptop turns off. Wait for 30 seconds. Press the power button again to turn it on. Fix 3. Increase the screen brightness. Press the brightness up key, usually Fn plus F8 or F9 depending on your model, for several times. Fix 4. Check if the display is working. Listen for the Windows startup sound or check if the keyboard backlight turns on. If the laptop seems to be running but the screen is black, the issue is likely with the display. Fix 5. Connect an external monitor. Connect the laptop to an external monitor or TV using an HDMI cable. Press Windows plus P and choose Duplicate or Second Screen only. If the external display works, the laptop screen or display cable may be faulty. Fix 6. Reset the embedded controller. Turn off the laptop, unplug the charger, and disconnect any devices. Hold the power button for 30 to 60 seconds, reconnect the charger, and turn the laptop back on. Fix 7. Update or reinstall the graphics driver. Open the device manager. Expand display adapters. Update or reinstall the graphics driver and restart the laptop. Fix 8. Check for hardware problems. If the screen is still black after trying the above steps, the problem may be with the LCD panel, display cable, RAM, or motherboard. Contact MSI support or visit an authorized repair center for diagnosis. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also to hit the subscribe button.